Hello. I remember a long time ago, near the beginning of his professional career, Lomachenko was asked if he'd ever compete in mixed martial arts. His answer was, maybe, after I first become pound for pound number one in boxing. That has always been his dream, to become pound for pound number one, and now, being recognized as such by the masses, it's interesting seeing him train Muay Thai. Perhaps the strongest pure stand-up discipline, it's always had a very high synergy with boxing. Samar Paikaroon is an example of this. Both emphasizing strong, simple fundamentals, mental toughness, physical toughness, and when it comes to practical application, both are as real as they can get. Thus, when combined, it's interesting how boxing adds another element of footwork, elusiveness to the whole system, ring awareness, not just hands. That said, how would Lomachenko fare in mixed martial arts if he took this system onto his kit? Of course, with just Muay Thai and boxing, you won't last very long. After all, anyone who does not know some jiu-jitsu will likely lose to jiu-jitsu, and wrestling has consistently been the highest success rate-based discipline in mixed martial arts. If you were to enter this arena with just striking disciplines, I doubt even the great Loma would do very well. Here's the thing though, Lomachenko has not been simply dancing his entire childhood. He's also been training Greco-Roman wrestling, judo, and sambo. And here, him demonstrating it still existed wrestling in adulthood. It's clear that Loma has everything he would need to keep the fight standing. The game would be different, of course. After all, with the incorporation of kicks, it'd be interesting how he would use his head movement with smaller gloves. It would be interesting to see how this impacts his shot selection and defense. Lomachenko is very elusive and great at not getting hit overall. Thus, I'm sure he'd make a smooth transition if he emphasized those fundamentals, despite standing as a southpaw, but actually being right-hand dominant, with fighters like TJ Dillashaw training and learning from Lomachenko and Max Holloway taking inspiration from Lomachenko. They have already demonstrated that at least parts of Lomachenko's kit are very viable in this game. To that end, it's hard to say exactly how well this prodigy will transition into the mixed martial arts arena, but for sure, with boxing and wrestling both being strong-based disciplines in this game, adding Muay Thai to his kit, one thing is for certain, this man is a conqueror. This says a lot about the man. My respect only continues to grow. What do you guys think? How do you guys think Lomachenko would do in mixed martial arts? I'd love to hear your comments. I read all of them. If you like work from me, please subscribe and hit the notifications. Thank you if you did. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.